I need to eliminate the fraction, as one student said. If I just multiply by the bottom number, I can eliminate the fraction. The question is which one? And we had said what number? 6. I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. Now another student asked me, how do I make something a fraction? They said, put a 1 underneath. So this becomes, you're just distributing. And now I'm going to multiply the top of the fractions. That becomes 12 over 3 x squared. And this one becomes 30 over 6 x. And then class, 0 times 6 is 0. Now that number works because if you reduce this, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now at this time, I'm going to teach you cross-canceling. The reason why this is 4 is a lot of students will do something crazy like this. I don't know if you've seen something like this. And maybe you didn't know why. They would cross off these numbers here. And they would write a 2. And the reason why they're doing that is 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then 2 times 2 is 4. Essentially what they're doing is 6 times 2, or 2 times 2 times 6, or 3 times 4, and they're canceling the 3's. So it's kind of like an invisible 3 there. And then if they did this one over here, 5, 6 over 6 over 1, they're essentially canceling your 6's. And then all you have to do there is just factor out your GCF, which is x. So someone asked me, when do you take out the greatest common factors? When you have an a and a b value only. And then if you set each of those equal to 0, you get x equals 0 and 4x minus 5 equals 0. And you will get the answer of add 5 divided by 4, x equals 5/4, and x equals 0. Raise your hand if you got those two solutions. We'll go over B tomorrow.